I'm back today to share with you my brand new acrylic painting workshop called Sediment and Shape. Over the last 2 years, I've worked on refining and rehoning my practice to become much more intuitive. My paintings are coming together with greater ease without overthinking and overworking the art. In this workshop, we'll focus on structure and spontaneity while feeling comfortable and relaxed throughout the process. This class is a collection of skill-based videos that you can rewatch and practice and learn the techniques, as well as a completed painting from start to finish. The whole thing is recorded. I love watching my students practice the techniques and apply them in their own voice, but I also appreciate those students who'd like to copy the class painting from start to finish. There's learning in both of those methods. With this workshop, you'll receive lifetime access and the ability to rewatch this video as often as you need it. Sediment and Shape is open now. I'll see you there.